Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Oppo is charged and on Wi-Fi. Open Settings, then tap Convenience Tools or Smart Assistant to find Voice Assistant. Once you see it, enable the toggle. This begins the service. You must grant microphone, location, and notification permissions when prompted, because the assistant needs audio input and contextual info. If a language or region prompt appears, pick the one you use most often so recognition accuracy improves. Now you've completed the first act. Once enabled, configure the wake word and voice settings so the assistant responds reliably. You can choose the default phrase or record a custom wake word for privacy, record in a quiet room for best accuracy. Then pick the assistant language and adjust speech speed or voice gender to suit your preference. Next, assign activation methods. Choose power button press, screen off detection, or headset controls, because multiple triggers prevent missed commands. Make sure to test the wake word and one activation method before moving on. You're now integrating services and verifying the assistant. Link your Google account, Oppo ID, calendar, and preferred music apps so commands access contacts and media. Then run a quick test sequence. Ask to call a contact, send a message, start navigation home, play a song, and set a reminder. This confirms permissions and app links. If any command fails, check app-level permissions, then restart the phone and retry. If issues persist, re-record the wake phrase and retest in a quieter environment to improve recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.